and welcome back. And as you have probably seen, or maybe not, she might have not posted it yet, I invited my friend to the account. So my friend Taylin is going to be posting from now on, as well as me. So cut to the chase. I'm going to be teaching the dance, ready or not, or hit the gas quick, Tiger who say a word. Yeah, a lot of people know, but some people don't. So that's what I'm here for. So welcome back. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first dance move, it goes and you don't do anything when it's saying when it starts saying hit the gas quick, take your flat hands and go up here, over down here, and around with your chest, pop it out and down. Hit the gas, and you gotta go. Hit the gas quick. Do it again. Hit the gas quick. Then you can take your hands and move them over here, and then do that. Go to your tippy toes. So ready? Hit the gas quick. Okay, then after that, I have a scab on my hand. It hurts to do that. Down girl, you're gonna go hip to the side. Down girl, side to side. The gas quick. Down girl. Okay, gonna girl. Okay, ready? Hit the gas quick. Down girl. Then after that, take an X. Won't say. Take a flat hand. A word over your mouth. Then put it down. Hit the gas quick. Tag girl who say a word. Then you're gonna go take. This is actually a short dance, so this video is not gonna be long at all. Maybe. Last time I said that, it was 8 minutes long. So you're gonna take your arms and roll, and then take your hands out. Snap. Okay, all together with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, after that, there's only 2 moves left, or 3. You're gonna take your arm and do a little whatever. Go around and over. Who sits at the curb and meets. Then you're gonna take your 2 hands, put them together in front of your face, out. It's for a while now. Then you're gonna put one leg up and snap. Okay, all ready? From the top, slowly with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm gonna do it normal speed. Hit the gas quick. Tell my girl who say a word, who sits at the curb and meets for a while now. I don't know the last part, but I'm gonna go make the TikTok and I'll be right back with the final project, because you don't need to see me do the dance again. So here is the final result of what I made. Copyright song, so I'm gonna sing it. Hit the gas quick. Tiger who won't say a word, who sits at the curb and meets for a while, but I don't say. I hope you enjoyed that. It took not that long to make, because it's more of a simpler dance than the other ones. And I might be getting Snapchat spectacles soon. And I told you this is TikTok tutorials. I do TikTok tutorials and more, so get ready for that review and unboxing soon if I get it, because it's a maybe. So please welcome my friend Taylin. Here's a picture of her. Yeah, kind of embarrassing, but she probably will get mad at me for putting this on here, but okay. Hope you have a good day, and there is an intro. It will be on my friend's video too. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye.